So to start with, we're going to find the area of the four faces. And these four faces are, we have this back side, we have the top, we have the bottom, and then finally this front face right here. So those four faces. You do that by finding the perimeter of the base. Now I'm using this as the base. You could have used something else, but we have 5 plus 4 plus 5 again plus 4. It's a rectangle. When you add all those up, you end up with 18. We multiply that by the height of the prism. 18 times 13 gives you 234 units squared. Okay, so that covers the parts around these with the red. Now, if we want to find the area of the base, what you're going to do is 5 times 4, which equals 20. But we have two bases here. We've got one on one side and one on the other, so let me mark that base as well. So we've got that one, so you do 20 times 2, which is 40. And then finally, to finish up, you take your 234, which is the red part, you add it to the 40, and you end up with 274 units squared. But for assistance, we're just going to type in 274.